Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys a cool trick on Dress to Impress. So this is how you can hit the griddy. My god, I sound like I'm old saying that, but I'm gonna get the apple and I'm going to select the rotten to the core. Actually, you don't need to select that one. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna just put it at rotten to the core. Then we're going to go to the troll post pack and then do post 28, or do we actually do the post 28? Actually, there's only one now. So we're then going to select the apple actually. Hopefully you guys can kind of see it. And then we're just going to do rotten to the core and mischievous like a lot of times. And as you can see, you're hitting the griddy, but you do have to kind of select it a lot. So just record it and I don't know, loop it, I guess. That's Anna hitting the griddy. Sorry, Anna. Anna. Do you want to build a snowman? Do you want to hit the griddy? And that is how you can hit the griddy on Just to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.